Hello everybody, this is Stephanie. I'm here to show you these, what are these things called? These bathroom shrooms. This is supposed to be for the bathtub, but my bathtub will not. My bathtub is the hole is too big and it's covered. You can't use it in there because I have a shower. But I do have a slop sink, and in my slop sink I wash my hair, so the hair can go down that sink. I don't want it clogging up anything. Plus I dye my hair and other stuff like that. So I'm going to use it in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now, and then I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to show you all the hair that came out. Okay guys, I just washed my hair, condition it, and there was that dye. Put some dye in it. So my hair is looking like this right now. And you can see the hair that's in the sink right there. You can see it in there. So let's pull it out. Let's see what happens. Let's do it. Look at all that hair. And all I gotta do is just throw it all out. That's all the hair that was in here. And it didn't go down the sink. So, and you see the water went down anyway. The water went straight on down without no problem. I'm gonna put it back just to show you that, and turn on the water just to show you that the water still goes down. It doesn't have a problem. Water went right down. So all you have to do is pull it up and see all that hair. I think that's a pretty good deal, actually. Then I don't have to worry about getting somebody to clean this thing out if I just put this in when I want to do my hair, you know, because my hair, or throw it out right now, it's going in the garbage. Guys, see what it look like? In the garbage. So if you know, I use this sink, of course, for the mop and, you know, water and things like that. So if you just keep it in there, it'll catch all that stuff. All you have to do is just put another one in, which I'm going to do right now. I have another one. So as I'm cleaning up and I'm throwing things in the slop sink here, it will go right in with no real problem. So let's put it back in. You see what it looks like. Goes right in. Bingo. The water still goes out. The water comes out, goes straight down, doesn't do anything. Works out fine. So if you're looking for something like this to help you keep your sinks unclogged with hair and everything else, maybe you want to try this thing.